Alright, our next math video is also related to probability, learning some more words. So we already learned always, sometimes, and never, and certain and impossible. Now we're going to learn how likely is it. Is it likely that this is going to happen or not that likely? So that means some events happen often, but not always. So they happen often, like I go to school in the morning, that happens often, but not always. You don't always come to school. And some events that happen not so often, like I will have ice cream for breakfast. It could happen for sure, but it's not that likely. It's not that likely. Not so often are you going to get ice cream for breakfast. So on the bottom, here's an example. You need to circle the correct word. So I will eat lunch. Is that you're often going to eat lunch or not so often? I'd say most of us, we're often going to have lunch. It will snow in May. Is it often or not so often? I'd say not so often. Let's go over one more together. I will win the school raffle. I'd also say not so often. So finish the bottom three. On the back, it's how likely or unlikely, very similar, but using likely or unlikely. So likely events happen often, but not always. And unlikely events happen, but not so often. For example, I will go outside tomorrow. Is a likely, I will go outside tomorrow. And unlikely is, I will lose my tooth tomorrow. You lose teeth all the time, but not that often, all right? So then you have to sort them into whether it is a likely event or an unlikely event. So let's do one together. So it says, I will eat a bug today. Is it likely you're gonna eat a bug today or unlikely? I would say unlikely. What about this one? I will eat cake for lunch. Is it likely you're gonna eat cake for lunch or unlikely? I'd say it's unlikely. So finish off those, and that is your math sheet for today. I hope that you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.